Sashi from Crafting with Ashi, and welcome to this video. This is the birthday card I'm making today, and this is using the From My Heart Designer Series paper. As I've said in previous videos, in these last few videos before retirement, I'm featuring a different designer series paper every day, and today it's From My Heart. So let's get started. The card base is real red. This is a standard A6 card base, so it's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece of the From My Heart Designer Series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and we're just going to stick this down to our card base, so then it's done. Actually, we're not going to do that. It's the third time I've made a mistake today. It's hopefully the last time. First, we're going to wrap some of this ribbon around, and this is a double stitched satin ribbon, and it's also in real red. Okay, and we're just going to need a little piece to wrap around our card. So there we go, and we're just going to wrap it around sort of halfway around the card. I'm just going to put a bit more snail on here. And then just wrap it around the pockets, and that'll be fine like that. Well, just make sure it's straight, obviously, so it's a bit like that. And now we can stick it down to our card base. So there we go, just like that. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to bring in is this designer series paper, which is the same one again, and we're going to use one of the hard punch packs to punch out some hearts here to use, and we're just going to line it up as best as possible and punch, and we want 3 hearts. Okay, and then let's just cut so we have cut out this heart, and this punch matches the hearts perfectly to cut them out, as you can see. So let's bring this back, and now we're just going to stick these down. Now these two I just stuck down with some snail. Where have I put my snail? Here it is. So just going to put a bit of snail on the back, and I'm just going to line these up top and bottom of the ribbon, a bit like that. And then this one I'm going to pop up on dimensionals, so let's bring in the dimensionals. Okay, and we're just going to take the backs off, and then we're just going to pop this in the middle here, like that, and this also helps to secure our ribbon. So that's what we have so far, so I'm going to set that aside for now, and I'm going to bring in some scrap whisper white, and the stamp set we're going to use is this one called Here's a Card. We're going to use the sentiment that says Happy Birthday. I'm going to stamp it in real red ink, so let's just do that. Ink it up, and then hey, stamped. Okay, the first time. I think that's the first time today I've had any success with that. So then I'm going to bring in a piece of Designer Series Real Red, and I'm going to be using this Label Me Fancy Punch, and we're just going to punch out a piece there, and then we're going to punch out our sentiment as well. So just take your time to center your sentiment. Okay, and then get rid of these bits, and then all I'm going to do here is cut our sentiment in half. I think I'm going to do it this way. I mean, not a sentiment, don't want to cut a sentiment in half. Cut our piece of Real Red in half, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on either side so we can mat it. Okay, and we're just going to do it like that, and then do the same on the other side. Make sure each one's roughly the same. Everything is straight, and you've got roughly the same amount of cardstock on either side, like that. Okay, and then we're going to pop this up as well on dimensionals. Where have they gone? Here they are. So 3 dimensionals. And then plonk this down in the centre like that. So that's what we've got so far. And then finishing touches, I've got some of our Real Red rhinestones, and then I'm going to just take one, if I can get hold of it, and put it on the dot of the eye and the birthday, and there we're done. So that's what we just made. That's what I made before. I think they're really cute cards. It's a different way to use the heart paper. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, it'll be on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!